Know what's going on, y'all? This is Cajun Tactical. Hey, glad to be back. Y'all, thanks for having me back. Look here, man, look, I got about 6,500 subscribers, and I need about 10,000, y'all. Man, I need y'all to like and share, and man, do what y'all can do to help me out, and I'm gonna do whatever I can do to help y'all out. So, man, thank y'all for the support. It's extremely important, and without y'all, couldn't be doing this right now. So, man, I just got a quick one. One of my subscribers was talking to me, and he just got him a Glock. And I'm a Glock fan. Okay, I got 3 of them. I love them. I mean, I love the dependability, the ease of doing everything with it, the ease of cleaning it, the ease of maintaining it. So it's been a real good one for me. I love them. And I like other stuff as well. I got a few other. I got revolvers. I got all kind of stuff. But man, I just love these Glocks. So what I'm gonna do? This is my Glock 23 40 cal. Okay. Y'all seen this one before. I had a Trigicon optic on it. I just wanted to change it up a little bit. I took the Trigicon Type 2 off of it, and I got some True Glow Tritium fiber optic sights. So just trying something different, you know what I'm saying? I'll put the Trigicon on something else for a little while. And look, safety check. Nothing, clear. There she is, empty as can be. So, but one of my subscribers, man, asked me if I would take one apart on video and do it like completely. I said, you know what? Yeah, I can do it pretty quickly too. So yeah, man, I don't mind doing that. So look, I think I'm gonna change my 40 and I'm gonna put the 9mm barrel on it and it's threaded, so I can, I got me a little compensator and shoot 9mm or put 9mm in for a little bit and try something different look. I like doing that. So all right, well, let's get started on this. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the O light off. Put it off right here. They come off real easy. Okay, so cock it. Y'all know how to do a Glock. Right here, pop it, pull the tabs down, come straight off, just like butter, baby. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disassemble the slide. So if y'all got any questions, like anytime during this, man, hit me a comment. Anything I can help y'all with, I'll be here. So let me take the slide apart. That's the guide rod coming off. Here's the barrel, and then you get the Glock tool, which I got right here, and then I'm gonna press it. They got a plunger. This little thing right here is a plunger. You push that, and the extractor right here shoots out. So first, I like to take this. So I put my Glock tool right here, pull it down, push, and pop this off, which is my back plate. Comes off there, this comes out, and then you have this one right here. Okay, and then here's your plunger, which when I push this little button, this is gonna fall off, which is my extractor. Boom, oh, there it goes. Now here's the extractor, and then the plunger. And I will tell you this, if you push the plunger down with your Glock tool, it's got a spring on it. It will shoot off into the never land of the garage. So y'all be careful. But plunger with the spring in it. And this is as unassembled as a slide can get, y'all, pretty quickly. The only thing I didn't take off was my sights. So there it is. There's that. Now let's go to the bottom. So you got your block right here. Boom, I'm gonna pop off these 3 pins. 1, 2, 3, and then when 3 comes, you're gonna pull the slide catch off too. comes off at 1. Next thing, you take your Glock tool, you're gonna pop it right under here. You're gonna pull that out. It comes out really easy. And then from this point, you're gonna pull your trigger out. So the trigger is one piece. It's a Zev. I bought it, I guess, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And man, this thing, I mean, I've got 3 different springs for it, and I can get it down to like 2.5 pounds, but that's a little cuckoo. I didn't like that. So I'm about 4 pounds right now, trigger pull. Now, I'm not going to take the slide. These little things are really hard to put back on because they got little micro screws and they're really easy to break. So the last thing is you're going to take your slide catch off. I'm sorry, your slide release off, which right here, but they got a little a spring, so you got to make sure this thing don't shoot out, because I've lost one too, and my Glock was out of commission for 3 weeks. So you take your tool and you put the spring right in here, and you're gonna push down on it. I know it's probably a little hard for y'all to see. And then I'm gonna push the slide. Let's see. Boom, get it under there. Up, there's that. So that comes out. And then the only thing's left in there is a little spring, and I'll show you what it looks like. They are hard to find on the ground, on your garage. A little bitty small, L shape. So, okay. I mean, that's about as stripped down as it gets, y'all. So, the only thing, like I said, is my extended mag release, because they got little bitty screws on it. And they strip easy, so I don't want to never take them out unless it breaks. All right, so let's put it back together, okay? I mean, why not? I'll drop my trigger in here. I'll put this back in where it goes, right here. Pop. And then I ain't gonna do that yet. Where's everything at? Okay, so we got the slide catch. It's gonna go right in here. I can't see no light. Always use good light when you do this, y'all. I can't see a damn thing. Okay, let's see. All right, here it goes. No. Yeah, you do drop stuff on the old floor from time to time. That's for damn sure. Okay, slide it right in the spot, right where it goes. This is gonna fall right up in here. Boom. And then let's see, we got, what else we gonna put on? That's about it. Let's pin it up. So the first pin, I'm gonna put it back here. Now you gotta make sure your trigger and everything's down, because that's what holds your trigger in place. Then I'm gonna take my Glock tool and pop. Okay. I'm gonna take the second pin, which goes here on the second hole. Right through. Then I like to push it in a little bit with the tool just to get it. You'll hear it hit the lines, the little grooves. Then you take the third one. Now a lot of times the third one's hard to put in. You got to wiggle this right here to get it. You're gonna go in from the left side, wiggle it up and down. Boom. You see it went in? There it is, just like that, and locked in tight. Awesome. Okay, so the lower's ready. Let's put the upper back together. Where that slide at? Dog. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do the extractor and the plunger. Boom. Plunger goes right here. Push it up and it should lock. Lock the extractor in. There it is, baby. Nope, came out. Let me see, Glock. There you go, baby. See why. There it is. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna grab here, slide it right down in the hole that it came out of. That's real easy. So that slides into the groove. And then let's see that, and what else we gotta put up in there? I mean, other than this and the back plate, that's it. Back plate right here. Let's push down my fingers, start it like that. Get the Glock tool, come this way, push down. And ooh, yeah, she is. So I'm like, oh, so look, we're gonna put the 9mm conversion barrel, threaded barrel. And I'm gonna run 9mm for a little bit on it. A couple days. 9mm conversion, threaded barrel with thread protector on it. Guide rod, stainless steel. And then, of course, with all of it, slide it right on it. And here, pull. Oh, gosh darn it. Forgot to put one thing in this. I forgot to put the spring. Yeah, I thought something that felt funny. So the spring goes right in this little slot, and you'll be able to see when you look down in there, it's a cut. That's just perfect for the spring. You know, you'll know it for sure. Put it right behind that bar, then you're gonna get this. You're gonna run it from this side with the lip facing you. With that lip facing you right there, you're gonna push it, you're gonna start it right here in the first little piece. Grab your thumb like that, put it, grab your tool, push the spring down, and slide it right over the spring. There it is. And then it pops down just like that. Now, she ready. So since I did just polish the slide, got it getting shiny, looks good. And you know, I took everything off of it. I wanted to maybe ride with it plain a little bit. I'm probably gonna put my light. Matter of fact, yeah, the light's gonna go on it. But I think this is how I'm gonna ride with it for a few days.